In this video, I will be talking about flamingos. Some stuff that will be covered in this video are what they eat, where they live, and some facts about these birds. Flamingos are a type of wading bird in the family Phenicopteridae, and the only extant family in the order Phenicopteriformes. Flamingos live for about 20 to 30 years, and the height range is between 3 feet to 5 feet, and the weight range is 2.6 pounds to 8.8 pounds. The food that they eat are algae, small seeds, tiny crustaceans, fly larvae, and other plants and animals that live on shallow waters. The way that they eat their food is that they put their head down in the water with their bill pointed to their feet. Then they sweep their head from side to side and use their tongue to pump out the water out of their bills. Also, they have a comb-like plate along the edge of their bills to create a filter that traps food in and lets the water out. They live in shallow saltwater or brackish water. This is where saltwater and freshwater mixes together. There are 4 species of flamingos distributed throughout the Americas and 2 that are native to Africa, Asia, and Europe. The 6 species are greater flamingo, Chilean flamingo, lesser flamingo, Andean flamingo, Puna or James flamingo, and American or Caribbean flamingo. American or greater flamingos are the largest species, and the shortest is the lesser flamingo. Here in this picture, you can see this is a Caribbean flamingo because its color is bright pink or salmon, but at the zoo there are also Chilean flamingos, and they are pale pink with bright tips on their feathers. So now I will be telling some fun facts about flamingos. So a baby flamingo is called a flaminglet. They are not born pink, instead they are gray, but flamingos turn pink by the food they eat. Carotenoids are found in algae and the brine shrimp that they eat, and the body metabolizes the pigments and turn their feathers pink. The nests that they make are made of mud, and they look like mini volcanoes, but they are large enough for one egg, and both parents help build the nest and incubate the egg. Next is that a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance, and other collective nouns include stand, colony, and pat. Some of these birds live in extreme environments. The extreme environments are extremely salty bodies of water called alkaline lakes. And these lakes have high concentrations of carbonate salts, and that can burn the skin. The knees of flamingos don't bend backwards. The joint that looks like the knee is actually the ankle joint, and the knee is located higher up in the legs, hidden in its feather and body. After that is that flamingos can produce milk. The milk that is produced is in its crop. That is a part of its throat and brought up through its mouth. Both parents can produce this and feed this to the flamingo chicks until they are old enough to eat on their own. Finally, flamingos can stand on one leg for long periods of time. Research suggests that they use more muscle power when standing on both legs, so they stand on one to reduce that. And also, scientists think that this may also help the flamingo stay warm because birds tend to lose body heat through their limbs, so standing on one leg and tucking the other one in their belly can help limit the amount of heat loss through their legs and feet. In conclusion, I think flamingos are very interesting animals because there are many types of species. Some of them can even be tall as humans, like they can be like 5 feet tall, and they can live in very extreme environments like very salty bodies of water, and if anything else goes there, it will just burn their skin up. And also standing on one leg, because if someone does that for a long period of time, their legs are going to get tired, but these birds don't get tired.